Okay, so you can skip ahead to the words if you want. I have them laid out in chapters, so it's easier for you. But first, if I may, this is tied to an A1 series that I'm doing for Spanish, but you don't need all of this for an A1 level. Just pick the ones that would seem the most natural to you and roll with those. If you did learn all of these, honestly, I'd think you'd be more suited towards an A2 level, gearing up towards B1. So use this for the future, but you don't need all of it right now. If some of the grammar is confusing to you, I have other videos where I go over that. If it's not up right now, it's coming, probably. If it's really, giving you problems, let me know in a comment and I can move that up the list. And of course, this is meant to be a general audio reference. If you want the text documents for yourself, for your own studies, you can find links to each of them in the description below of the respective video. But enough of this, let's go to those vocabulary words. This is for section 1, basic social interactions. I'll do them in Spanish and I'll translate them in English. Again, you can find the document for download below so you can follow along on your own. I will have captions of only the Spanish though, so you have something to look at. I have the document here for myself, so I have something to look at. Anyway, moving on. Saludos y despedidas. Greetings and farewells. Hola. Hello. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Adios. Goodbye. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Nos vemos. See you. Ciao. Bye. Cuídese, cuídate. Take care, formal and informal. Preguntar y responder a cómo estás. Asking and responding to how are you. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Informal. ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? Formal. ¿Qué tal? How's it going? ¿Cómo te va? How's it going? ¿Qué hay de nuevo? What's new? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Good, thanks. And you? Muy bien. Very well. Más o menos, así, así. So. No muy bien. Not very well. Estoy cansado, cansada. I am tired. Estoy enfermo, enferma. I am sick. Estoy feliz. I am happy. Estoy triste. I am sad. Presentarse. Introducing yourself. Me llamo. My name is. Soy. I am. Mi nombre es. My name is. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Informal. ¿Cómo se llama usted? What's your name? Formal. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Encantado. Encantada. Pleased to meet you. El gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. If you're taking your study seriously, then you might be interested in the language journal that I've published on Amazon. You can find a link to that below in the description as well. And don't forget to take advantage of every other video that I've posted and am going to post here on YouTube. But moving on. Nacionalidades y Origen. Nationalities and Origins. Soy de. I am from. Vengo de. I come from. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Informal. ¿De dónde es usted? Where are you from? Formal. Soy estadounidense, español, mexicano, etc. I am American, Spanish, Mexican, etc. Vivo en. I live in. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Informal. ¿Dónde vive usted? Where do you live? Formal. Profesiones y ocupaciones. Professions and occupations. Soy estudiante. I am a student. Soy profesor, profesora. I am a teacher. Trabajo como. I work as. No trabajo. I don't work. Estoy jubilado, jubilada. I am retired. ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do for a living? Informal. ¿A qué se dedica usted? What do you do for a living? Formal. Pedir y dar información personal. Exchanging personal information. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Informal. ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? How old are you? Formal. Tengo 30 años. I am 30 years old. ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? What's your phone number? Informal. ¿Cuál es su número de teléfono? What's your phone number? Formal. Mi número de teléfono es. My phone number is. ¿Tienes correo electrónico? Do you have an email? Informal. ¿Tiene correo electrónico? Do you have an email? Formal. Mi correo electrónico es. My email is. Hablar sobre la familia y las relaciones personales. Talking about family and relationships. ¿Tienes hermanos? Do you have siblings? Informal. ¿Tiene hermanos? Do you have siblings? Formal. Tengo un hermano, una hermana. I have a brother, a sister. No tengo hermanos. I don't have siblings. Estoy casado, casada. I am married. Estoy soltero, soltera. I am single. Tengo novio, novia. I have a boyfriend, girlfriend. ¿Tienes hijos? Do you have children? Informal. ¿Tiene hijos? Do you have children? Formal. Tengo un hijo, una hija. I have a son, a daughter. And finally, expresiones de cortesía. Basic politeness and courtesy expressions. Por favor. Please. Gracias. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. De nada. You're welcome. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Disculpe. Perdón. Excuse me. Formal. Perdona. Disculpa. Excuse me. informal. No hay problema. No problem. Con permiso. Excuse me, as you're passing by. I really hope this helped. If you think that I've missed something, or if you found something else in this area that has been particularly useful to you, please let me know in a comment. I love learning, and I'm sure that other people would benefit from that too. Like if you liked this, subscribe and follow for more, and let me know what you want to know next. Thank you.